Thutha wa ndugamano hiu gatagati ka mbunge iguru rigie kana mutaratara wa watho wa BBI ni ufatie gwikirwo mogaruruku omothe, riu ni utheri ambunge matigukorwo na mweke wothe wa gutabania mogaruruku maya. Spika wa mbunge-ini ya bururi Justin Muturi no kinyanirie.
Members, take your seats so that we can proceed with the business.
Spika wa mbunge-ini ya bururi Justin Muturi ni ukinyirie muthia ndugamano ino gatagati ka mbunge guku akiuga gwika mogaruruku omothe mutaratara-ini wa watho wa BBI ni gukorwo megukorwo makihitia kuona mihango ya ucenjia wa gatiba ni mihango irakuruhania mawoni ma muingi.
That is why Parliament really cannot amend the constitution. A bill to amend the constitution brought about through a popular initiative. You cannot hijack the intention of the promoters at Parliament level, either second reading or third reading.
Mamwe maria mbunge marendekithagia makorwo makimurikwo weru ni hamwe na ugayania wa icigo cia mbunge 70 iria ciendekithitio riboti-ini ya BBI o ndomwe na kumbwo kwa wabici ya ombudsman aria mafatie kunyabara ruhonge rwa magoti.
If this bill is going to be taken to a referendum, if the people in the referendum go and pass it and tell you you are going to have JSC, you are going to have power to discipline judges, because currently they only discipline registrars, magistrates and other judicial officers.
Hau kafere bunge-ini ya Senate, Senator wa Bungoma Moses Wetangula ni gukinyiririe no muhaka mogaruruku matabanio niguo gwikira mamwe ma mendekithia maria maheanirwo hindi ya mihango ya ugania wa mawoni ma muingi ria atabanirio ni kamiti ya hamwe igie watho bunge-ini nene ya gĩbũrũri o ndomwe na ya Senate. Ona kuri uguo mamwe ma mahitia ma kimiandiko maria kuratuika mari mutaratara-ini uyu ni megukorwo magithondekwo ona gutuika Muturi ni ugite muingi ndufatie gukorwo na haguro yothe kuona ti mahitia manene magicungiriria mutaratara uyu guteanirio.
Those are the typos which can be corrected so as to just give a harmony to legislation and any bill, whether it's a constitutional amendment bill or not.
Nayo ndeto igie macira maria makomete magoti-ini makonainie na riboti ya BBI, Muturi ni ugite mihango ya mbunge ndikuhutio na njira yothe ni macira maya na wona marikia kuhitukia mutaratara uyu wa watho ni magakorwo makionena kuri mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta niguo awikire kirore.
You cannot have something unconstitutional which has been passed by the people themselves in a referendum, because sovereign power belongs to the people.
Ambunge magakorwo magiikia kura kunyita mbaru kana kugoithia mutaratara uyu wa watho wa BBI mothe wa kana kiumia giki na mihango ya kuha ambunge makauhitukia no ithiete na mbere kunyitithio thinga.
Thank you very much too.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV retora kone no ngari wa Kamau.